Welcome everyone, let's find out what's in the Z Fold 4 box. So once we open up the box, we're going to have the phone itself, of course. If we flip this over, we're going to have this leaflet here. So take the phone out. For some reason, Samsung didn't attach this little cardboard thingy correctly, so it kind of just falls off. And then we have, of course, the phone here, Z Fold 4. If we take a look at the pamphlet here, we open this guy up, like so. Charging cable, instruction manual, and behind there is the SIM ejector tool as well. So you're like, okay, there's no phone charger, but if you order your phone and within 7 days you can do a claim which allows you to get a free charging brick. As you heard that, free charging brick for the Z Fold 4 and even a free S Pen as well. So I'll have the link in the description. If you would like to see my full unboxing, where I actually unbox the plastic and stuff, then I'll have that in the description. And with that being said, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.